Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because I recently picked up this product. This is the Olaplex number 3 hair perfector that repairs and strengthens all hair types. Now I recently, as you guys notice, I have dyed my hair. I do have like a balayage thing going on. I really love it. It's such a difference from my black hair, of course, obviously. I did have to bleach my hair to get it this color, and I really like it, especially for the summertime because it's just so nice and bright, and I can put some beach waves in it and it just looks really nice and summery and light. My ends are a little bit fried. I've been using a lot of deep conditioner, which has been helping my hair, but I was obviously researching, looking it up, and I found this guy, which I've heard about it before, but I never felt the need to pick it up because my hair wasn't bleached before. But you don't need to use this only on damaged or highlighted hair. You can totally use this on regular hair as well, just to like if you have curly hair, it helps to recurl your hair and give you better curls. What it's doing is it's working inside of the hair strands as opposed to coating it like deep conditioners do from the outside. So if you think about it, this is really like working and building and fixing the hair itself, as opposed to like the deep conditioner, which is putting like a band-aid on the hair when you wash it out. Go back to exactly how it was before, but this one doesn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys how I apply this, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna talk about the results. This is my hair before. It looks good. It's not bad. When I do have it straightened straight, it's not horrible looking. Like you can see split ends, which I didn't have before, but I've also been like heat styling my hair. So I try not to heat style my hair as much as I can, but honestly, like hair like this looks good either straight or curled, so you have to do something. I can't really go with my natural curls just because it just looks dry when you have like a balayage thing going on or highlights going on. Your hair just kind of looks dried and fried, which is obviously not what I want. So let's go ahead and try out this Olaplex. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair really quickly, just with a little bit of shampoo because my hair is pretty dirty. It's been a couple of days, and then I'm gonna come back and share with you guys my process and my first impressions of Olaplex, and then you guys will see the finished result. So hey guys, so I just finished washing my hair. I did towel dry it just a little bit, but it's like wet, damp. So this is the Olaplex Hair Perfector. This is the number 3. It repairs, strengthens all hair types. This little bottle, this was 3.3 fluid ounces, is $28. Use only once a week, and then for really damaged hair, you can use 2 to 3 times a week. I would probably just do this once a week because my hair is not that bad. The best way that I found works to do this is just to section off your hair and apply a little bit to each section. That way you get your entire head. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush out my hair and just detangle it a bit. I have my little detangling brush right here. Let's see. I'm gonna brush this out. When you are detangling and trying to get knots out of your hair, it's best to go from the bottom up. That way you're not like stretching and pulling the hair, causing breakage. You are just going from the bottom and getting it nice and even. So it doesn't smell bad at all. It actually smells pretty good. It smells like a salon product. So I'm just gonna grab this amount. I'm gonna work it into my hands and just work it through the hair, and I'm just gonna coat it and leave it just like so. I'm gonna work that in, and then I'm gonna go ahead in with the other side and also work that in, and I'm literally just gonna do sections like this throughout. I did hear that using less is absolutely more, so you are gonna be good to go. Thing about this that is stressed is that this is a bonder. It's not a conditioner, it's not a shampoo, it's not a deep treatment. It's a bonder, so it actually is going to rebuild back using like cross polymers your ends and just sink right into your actual hair. Whereas deep conditioner sits on top of the surface, this is actually working inside the actual hair. One of this bottle would last you like a month. It will last about 3 to 4 uses. Like I said, it's only just a little bit that you need, so you can definitely make it work. Just put it into the areas that you feel are like the absolute most damaged. Alright, so you're supposed to leave this on for a minimum of 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna do like a half an hour to an hour, and then afterwards you wash it out. You shampoo and condition it out, and then you style your hair accordingly. So I'm gonna leave this in for an hour. Hey guys, so I just finished getting dressed and I just straightened my hair, and girl, of course it looks better because obviously it was not straight before and now it's straight. But honestly, like, when I let it air dry, because I don't usually like to blow dry my hair out, I like to have it air dry and then quickly kind of like blow it out just super quick and then pass a flat iron through it. But my hair, when it was drying and just air dry, was so soft. It's ridiculous. I really didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if it was one of those products that were like kind of gimmicky, kind of like, yeah, this is great, everybody should try it. I thought it was like that, but honestly, like, my ends are so soft, they're so sleek. The shine on my hair right now, are you kidding me? Like, what? So nice. Just in general though, my hair feels so soft, so weightless. I really like this. I'm very excited to continue using this. It says use it like once a week, so this is gonna be like my weekly treatment. I'm in love. I do see, of course, obviously, I do have split ends still, but just the ends, it just looks so much more healthy and so nice. So I'm really excited. I would absolutely say check this out. I don't want to give my full 100 approval because I do want to finish out the bottle and use this for a month. I will definitely give you guys an update within the month. I used it this week. I'm gonna use it for the next 3 weeks. Hopefully, I didn't use that much, so hopefully it'll last a little bit longer than a month, but I want to finish out the bottle and I will definitely update you guys on the progress and my hair and how it looks like. But this stuff is like, my hair is so smooth and so soft. It looks healthy. I did ask on my Instagram and you guys responded if you had tried this, and a lot of you guys said you did, especially those that have highlighted hair, and you guys said that you left it on for like 3 hours. I only left it in for 45 minutes. Next time I'm gonna do it on a day when I literally don't have anything else to do. I feel like some people also do this like overnight as well, which seems legit to me, but I'm definitely gonna do it longer next time. If there's a difference in using it for a longer amount of time, which I'm sure obviously it would be, it's in your hair, it's working longer, so you might see a better improvement. But as of right now, I'm really into it, so I hope you guys check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I did pick this up from Sephora. It's not sponsored. I literally just wanted my hair to be better. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have not checked out my Instagram page, please go ahead and do so right now. It's at Reesiibabe and at ReesMUA. Go ahead and subscribe if you like my videos and you want more videos from me. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will chat with you all later. See ya.